June is National Home Ownership Month, a time to celebrate the pride and responsibility of owning a home. As summer approaches, it's the perfect opportunity to ensure your home is in tip-top shape. Here are 10 essential summer home maintenance tips to keep your property safe, efficient, and enjoyable throughout the season. Number 1, inspect and clean gutters and downspouts. Summer storms can clog gutters with debris, leading to water damage. Regularly clean and inspect them to ensure proper drainage and protect your home's foundation. Number 2, service your air conditioning system. Before the heat peaks, have your AC unit inspected and serviced. Clean or replace filters to maintain efficiency and indoor air quality. Number 3, check for pest entry points. Seal cracks and openings around your home to prevent insects and rodents from entering. Pay special attention to areas around windows, doors, and the foundation. Number 4, maintain your lawn and garden. Regular mowing, weeding, and watering keep your yard healthy. Trim overgrown bushes and trees to prevent damage to your home's exterior during storms. Number 5, inspect your roof and siding. Look for loose or damaged shingles and siding. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent leaks and further damage. 6, test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Ensure all detectors are functioning correctly. Replace batteries and test each device to keep your family safe. Number 7, clean and repair decks and patios. Inspect for loose boards or nails and clean surfaces to prevent mold and mildew buildup. Consider resealing wood decks to protect against the elements. Number 8, wash your windows and screens. Clean windows inside and out to let in more natural light. Repair or replace damaged screens to keep insects out while enjoying fresh air. Number 9, prepare for emergencies. Check that your emergency kits are stocked and accessible. Review your family's emergency plan in case of severe weather or power outages. And number 10, review your homeowner's insurance. Ensure your policy is up to date and provides adequate coverage for summer-related risks such as storms or flooding. By taking these steps, you not only maintain your home's value, but also ensure a safe and comfortable environment for your family. Celebrate National Home Ownership Month by investing time in your home's upkeep. It's a rewarding part of the home ownership journey. If you have any questions, you can reach us by phone at 608-345-6594, or you can always email me directly at jdholt@kw.com. We hope you enjoyed our video today, and be well.